This is our earth blender, concrete mixer, and stucco mixer that we have developed to use in making our compressed earth blocks. As you can see by the video, this is hydraulically driven. These are all spare parts that I had on hand when I made this, with the exception of the mixer itself, and that's all new steel. You can see it's 4 paddle wheels. It's run by a 2000 psi, 540 RPM PTO hydraulic pump, puts out 20 gallons a minute, runs this 10,000 inch-pound motor that runs the paddles, runs it absolutely perfectly. Very simple to install. You just take and knock the dirt out of it first and then slip it onto the power takeoff. We'll take and attach our 3-point hitch to it and pick it up so we can get it level and carry it wherever we need to take it. Very simple to go on. It holds about 15 gallons of hydraulic fluid, and this is just normal tractor transmission hydraulic fluid. Very, very simple to install. As you can see, this whole process really takes about 3 minutes to hook everything up. And we'll get it hooked up, and then we're going to take you over to a pile of dirt and show you how we would take and blend it. And we're getting the end of the 3-point hitch on. We'll show you everything is here. You'll notice a breather on top, the 20-gallon hydraulic tank we have. The lines run down. We have the valve on this. We have it locked in the open position, and we control it by turning the PTO on and off. Now we're going to simply attach the bucket, which is nothing more than driving forward, setting our hooks down underneath it, and picking it up. Then we'll get off and latch them and lock them in place, and that's all there is to it. And this is a universal attaching system for all tractors, all modern tractors made these days. This dirt that we're picking up now, it is old. It's been sitting here quite a while, and it has a lot of organic matter in it, and so it's going to be a little bit wet. We had 6 inches of rain this week, and it's quite wet. It's not suitable for making blocks, so therefore we're not going to put any Portland into it and waste it. So here we are coming up to our little pile, and you'll see the digger or the mixer is designed so that you can simply go and pick it up. That amount of dirt that's in there right now by measurement is about 430 pounds, which is 1/5 of a yard. And like I said, it was very wet, and the tractor's on idle, so it's not turning very fast. We kicked it up to normal RPM, which is about 1200 RPM, and this is how it mixes it. When you take and lift the bucket up about 6 foot off the ground, then the mixer is running perfectly level, and all your dirt then is falling back down for the paddles to take and mix it up. You have to transport it someplace, and so when you pick it up, you just keep it mixing. Here we're going up to our compressed earth block machine, and it will dump it completely over and straight down into the hopper and mix it. And that shows you how it completely empties it out. So very simple to use. This concludes the first series of videos that we're going to make. This shows you how we blended our earth. The next one that we're going to do will be mixing of the earth stucco to spray on the house, but we have to have the house ready to spray before we do that. So stay tuned. We'll have you another video up as soon as we get ready to mix our stucco.